In this video, we'll give you a step-by-step instruction on how to properly template your boat for Aquadeck. We'll provide you with insights into the necessary tools you'll need and offer essential tips to ensure you produce a successful pattern. We don't expect you to produce a technical drawing, but the more care you take when making this pattern, the better the end result will be. Within the kit we have sent you, we have included templating film, a permanent marker, a plastic straight edge ruler, but you will also need a pair of scissors, masking tape or painter's tape, and a camera or phone to take pictures of your pattern layout. First, cover the area to be patterned with your templating film. Using your scissors, begin trimming your plastic film so it's slightly larger than the area to be covered. Where two pieces of film need to be joined, make sure you overlap them and tape them together using tape. Then secure the film in place using either weights or your masking painter's tape. This will ensure the film will stay in place during the templating process. This step will differ depending on whether the area you are templating is a smooth surface or if it has a raised non-skid moulded area in the fiberglass deck. For borders with raised non-skid areas, use your permanent marker to trace around the raised area of the deck. You can use a ruler or straight edge to produce sharper lines. For a boat which has a smooth surface, simply use your permanent marker to draw the lines in the desired area you'd like your Aquadeck flooring to cover. If the area you are templating is close to an area with curves, either upwards or downwards, keep your lines on the flat portion of the floor and avoid drawing on the curve. Once done, number the part clearly. See number 1 on the diagram provided. It's important to mark each part of the pattern with an arrow pointing towards the front of the boat. See number 2 on the diagram provided. Mark clearly the top surface on all the parts. Be sure to mark their exact location on the boat. For example, bow port, bow starboard, bow centre. See number 3 on the diagram provided. Next, where any holes or hinges need to be cut out, be sure to identify and label these areas. Look at diagram 4 for an example. Should you wish to add a logo, clearly label your pattern in the area where it is required with the word logo. See diagram 5 for help. Draw reference lines panel to panel so that we're able to line up your template correctly once it arrives at our workshop. See number 6 on the diagram for reference. Write your name, phone number, email, boat make, model, year, colour and pattern choice on one of your parts for reference. Be sure to take lots of photographs of your template once in place on your boat. This again is essential for our design team to work accurately. Do not trim the template to the lines you have drawn. This will help the design team during the scanning process. Pack your template and return it to us at the Aquadeck head office and upload your photographs to us following the instructions on our website under templating. Should you have any questions regarding the templating process, please feel free to contact our design team at support@aquadeck.com. We're always pleased to help. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website aquadeck.com and check us out on social media.